Good afternoon, everyone. So maybe Yassir mentioned, who knows about Simple already in the room? Still? Oh, nice. Very happy to hear. So I'm Valentina Stavaris. I'm working in DG Connect in the European Commission in the Cloud and Software Unit, and more specifically working on Simple, as you understood. So just for the few that didn't raise their hands, so Simple is the cloud middleware, open source, that is enabling data initiatives. Most importantly also, that is not there but in the slide, but what we really want to pass as a message is that we don't reinvent the wheel. We reuse the existing components that are compliant to our principles. So we are in the Gaia X Summit. We are reusing Gaia XFSC, for instance, and other components, EDC. So I see Eclipse in the just before the session. So the aim is really to reuse what is existing, develop what is not existing anymore, or any still, and integrating everything so that it's easier to enter in the development of a data space. What as a EU, what is really a crucial moment and crucial year for us is that basically it's the first time that the data spaces and Simple were explicitly mentioned in the AI Continent Plan earlier this year. So I put you the quote just, so it's the first time that you have an IT tool, let's say, that is mentioned in a strategic document of the Commission. And I think we need really to take this opportunity to really leverage on what we are building here together. And same thing, Thibaut mentioned that, my director mentioned that this morning, that yesterday we adopted also a digital package, including the data union strategy, which again refers to Simple. This aims really to facilitate and to put the pieces together. So financing on one side, the data spaces, common European data spaces, also, of course, also taking part of other initiatives, DSCC, Gaia, etc., but also building or integrating, have an integration of the tools as Simple and start continuing the development. So if we deep dive into Simple, so just as a reminder, Simple is composed by 3 products. So Simple Open being the open source, so the middleware itself. Simple Labs being the testing environment, and Simple Live being the integration of Simple Open into the specific data spaces. But I'll come back to that later. On Simple Open, so we have the basic, I would say, or the essential components that are under development at the moment and should finish by December 2026. So we advanced and we presented the MVP at the last event in January, and we'll have the other event, and I'll come back as well, the other event in January next year, where we will present, of course, the evolution of it. A new thing that is just happened this week is that we have started the extension of Simple Open already, adapting or providing the complementary service that are not foreseen at the moment in the main, let's say, developments. And this is to enable the AI and machine learning, all the capabilities of Simple in that area, and also have access and communication between the catalogs of the DOM marketplace, so the cloud marketplace, and so on. And very crucial, that was mentioned also this morning, the monetization, so to develop the monetization component. So this, I will not go into the detail. In any case, we communicated on this in the newsletter that we published last week, but you can, of course, check it online. I'll provide you all the references. So this is really the new development that just started. I don't want to create over expectation. We just started, so we need to really do the analysis now of what is existing in the market and then pass to the development. So before, let's say, mid next year, of course, this will still be in the analysis phase. But this is coming, so we're very happy and proud of this. So here, I'll let you if you want to take pictures. So as I said, we have the 3 products. Maybe the labs I will keep maybe for next event, probably, because we are still in the phase in between the feasibility study and the implementation. So this should start soon, but I will not spoil the information for the future. But in Simple Life, so Simple Life being really the study on how we can integrate Simple Life in the Simple Open, in the specific common data spaces, so the European data spaces that were selected. We have the first, what we call the first wave, that were the study finished last year, and they will soon start in the upcoming weeks. They will start the integration phase. So where we really do an update, a short update of the analysis, but then we jump into the integration, so implementing the integration scenario that we defined earlier. And then we have currently those 4 data spaces that are running their feasibility study with us. So defining really the integration scenario, providing also to Simple Open the requirements that are needed for additional, for the integration. And we have also a specific, I would say, specific case, Eurocloud, which is the public sector cloud federation we want to set up. So this is a separate initiative, let's say, of the Commission, but we are seeing through the feasibility study if Simple could help implementing this Eurocloud. So you'll find more information also on our website for needed. So for those who are not aware, save the date for the 29th of January, where we have our annual event, is in Brussels. But of course, it's also, you can follow it online. But I really invite you to come on site. It's, it's another, so you can find all the links also for the registration already on our website. And there you will have, of course, plenary session, but also technical workshops where you can really discuss with the developer, with the development team, also specifically on the EDC connector extension, on many technical aspects that are very interesting to see and to hear. And of course, this, as an open source project, we really value the community contribution, so we are very eager also to hear more about the experience and so on. Also, I want to take the opportunity to thank also the GaiaX hub from France, who communicated on the deployment on Simple Open this week. So that's really, for us, a really nice thing to hear, and we are eager also to have more feedback on their experience, and more to come, of course. So you'll find all this, so you have, of course, everything is open, available for you to check and to give feedback on. So the architecture, the code repository, even the requirements and the business processes are on our website, so feel free to check, to comment, to provide your feedback, and we are happy to give you also the answer to your questions. I don't know if you have any questions or any...